Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
This is just horrendous. We're supposedly
Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move that could be my last.
What's good, Wavy Game, man? It's your boy Klinos, man. Hey, look, man, we are back with another video, man. Hey, look, so as you can tell by that title, man, I'm about to show y'all how to get 360 waves, man. So, you know what I'm saying? You know, so let's do the revealing, you feel me? So this is what we're working with right now, you know what I'm saying? This is the progress we at, so. How you looking? How you looking? They decent? I know. Chill. Let me stop. But yeah, man, so that's where we at right now. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Looking good, looking clean. Let me check it out myself, though. You feel me? They're looking clean, You know what I'm saying? It's been... This what? I mean, I've been brushing since March, but I've been slacking. So it's not at its full potential. It could be better if I was brushing every day and not having been brushing every day. But since I got my YouTube channel, we brush every day. But anyways, beside all that, I'm gonna show y'all how to get waves and tell y'all how to get waves. So my progress of coming through the whole little thing of getting waves, whatever. So first off, you need 3 brushes. That's my preference. 3 brushes. You want a hard, soft, and a medium. You know what I'm saying? You want all 3 of those. Those right there is gonna be beneficial, and you're gonna see why. So for the hard brush, that's for like when you're woofing. Soft brush is to like finish it off, and the medium brush is like in between. So like when you just like got done cutting your hair, you know what I'm saying, you use like the medium brush or the soft brush. You don't use the hard brush because you're gonna hurt your scalp. And grease. So for the grease, right, I don't use that pomade wave grease because that stuff's not good for your hair. Having all that stuff like stocked up in your hair, you know what I'm saying, all clumped up, is not good for your hair. So for me, I stick with the natural things. I stick with the like the cocoa butter, you know what I'm saying, or the castor oil, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that, which is really healthy for your hair. So me, I don't really use pomade, stuff like that. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't at all. It's been almost what, a year now since I used pomade. So yeah, so brushing, grease, brushing, consistency, and anything in life you gotta be consistent at it. So it's always brushing. Have at least 2 sessions a day. That's what works for me. I'll have one in the morning, 30 minutes. One before I go to bed, 30 minutes. So that's what I would do. I'll split the minutes up between each brush. So for the soft brush, for the hard brush, I do 10, medium 10, soft 10, and that's the whole brush session. Get a little plastic bag, the Ziploc bag, over the hair, put the dewy on, that's it. And if you do that every day, you feel me, your hair, you know what I mean, the wave's gonna come in, you hear me, and you're gonna see the progress. So, and then I'm gonna just show y'all how to really start it, alright? Alright, so when you brush, right, so I'm not gonna brush it, I'm gonna show y'all and like, tell y'all. Alright, so look, so as you can see, right, so my waves, right, they got like a little swirl. As y'all can see, it's like a little swirl. It ain't a beehive, because the beehive will be just straight a circle. But this has like a little swirl that come into the middle. So when you brush, right, and you don't have any waves, you might see it's easy for me because I got waves. But now listen, so you want to imagine the waves that you already want. So if I want 720s, I'm imagining me already having 720s in my head. So since I imagine that, I'm gonna brush in that imaginary way. You feel me? So if I imagine that I want 360s with the swirl, so I'm gonna imagine that in my head, you feel me? So boom, I imagine it. So now I know that wherever I want my slant, if I want a slant in the back, if I want 2 slants, whatever the case may be, you wanna brush it in the direction you want. So for me, I brush at a slant in the front. So I brush like that. You feel me? I brush like that at a slant. And then I know that when I get to the crown, I'm gonna have to like twirl it, you feel me? So it's not gonna be just dun 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 dun. It's gonna be dun You feel me? So that's how you wanna do it. So you wanna imagine in your head. So just imagine it, keep it in your head, keep going. You're gonna eventually see progress. If you don't give up, just keep brushing your hair. And then also, make sure you're brushing the same way, because if you end up brushing like different angles, your connection is gonna mess up. You're gonna end up getting hella forks, and the connections is gonna take way longer for it to come in compared to if you was brushing at the right angle. So make sure you brush at the right angles, you feel me? And your wave should be coming in no time. But yeah, so I must do a brush session, probably like a 10-minute brush session, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can go ahead and watch me. So I'm gonna go through all the brushes. I'm gonna do a hard, soft, and medium. And then we're gonna put the dewy on. That's gonna be it. But yeah, otherwise than that, y'all see what it is. That's what I'm working with right now. We're gonna do 30 minutes. Well, I'm gonna speed it up for y'all for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna do 30 minutes each. I mean, 30 minutes altogether, but 10 minutes each brush. You feel me? So that's what we're gonna do. And so yeah, make sure you do like and subscribe to this video before we continue. Thank you very much. Let's go. All right, before we get started, I like to put this in my hair. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Just spray it in my hair. You know what I'm saying? All right, that should be good. And then start off with the hard brush. And then we're gonna go. Also, one thing, the brushes, you know, people are like, oh, you need this brush, this will get you the waves, and this one doesn't work. That's cap. But I've been using so many brushes throughout the years. Brushes get you waves. It all depends on your consistency, like I said. Like, I've seen people with this brush who use this brush. And when I was in high school, I was using this brush, and I had better waves in them. So don't believe that. And also do-rags. I mean, even though I do got a silky do-rag, they be like, oh, if it ain't silky, then you ain't get no waves. I mean, man, do-rag is just a trend. And like, oh, silky, it's a trend. It's like a little style or whatever. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter what do-rag you got. If your do-rag ain't silky, you gonna still get waves. All that matters is as long as your hair is compressed down and it's staying in place when you go to sleep, stuff like that, you gonna be straight. If it's not silky, then it don't matter. You know what I'm saying? Don't listen to that. You hear me? Don't listen to it. You know what I'm saying? I've been there, done that. You feel me? Speaking to an OG, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? Getting back in the game, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let me go ahead and get started with this brush session, man. Let's get started.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
got no plastic bag to lay my hair down. So for right now, for these next few days, I'm gonna just be using my hands to lay my hair down. I mean, it works, you feel me? But not as good as a Ziploc bag. I swear I thought I had one. This looks good. Okay. All right, let me see. The crown gonna come in. It's gonna come in soon. We're just being patient on that crown. This is my weak side, if I could tell. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta keep woofing. And this like my strong side over here. As I can tell. You can tell the big difference. It's like all the ways right here is just like, what is going on? But yeah. So that's it, man. You know what I'm saying? Take them gems I told y'all how to get the 360 waves, you feel me? You know? And y'all put it to use. Oh, let me also show y'all. I mean, it's multiple ways you put your dewy on. You know what I'm saying? I had this one on for a brick. You know what I'm saying? This year I've been having for a brick. Put it like that. Over like that. Like that. And over like that. Tie it in the back. Put them sides down. I'm saying, straighten this soap, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? Like that. Yeah. And that's what it is, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see the way to the dewy. But that's it, man. I ain't gonna waste your time. Hey, but look, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and peace on the street shirt.
Moving in bricks, had a bound like ooh. Moving in bricks, had a bound like ooh. Diamond on my wrist ain't look like glue. Diamond on my wrist ain't look like glue. Walk